just so you can get an idea how rainy it is, and you can hear the thunder. Is that thunder or is that a car? Sounds like a car. It's still raining, even though it was a car. So yeah, we did just try and go out on the boats, but yeah, the sun rained, so then we came back good. But I mean, it's not normal rain. It's like Satan's rain. For example, here we go. Look at the water in the sea. Absolutely tough to get down. Oh my god. Oh shit. Shit. Yep, it's stupidly wet out there. That's my mum being gay. It's so wet. In Borneo we have rain, like in storms. Well, like, okay, so this isn't monsoon period, so just imagine when it's monsoon in October, how much shit they must get for like 2 months. Oh shit, I'm getting wet. It's coming in. I don't mind getting wet. I'm sure you don't either, but I just don't want to get the phone wet because I'm also taking the phone out on the water with me because I want to make films and take pictures, you know, because that's what I do. But this is ridiculous.